Okay guys, in this episode we will set the material for building ghost. Okay, let's start. So let me adjust something to organize the code a little. I like to be okay. Let's create another folder materials. Materials. Okay. Okay, let's create a material. We'll call it build ghost green. Okay, for now we will use a simple color for this ghost. In another episode we will create another material more interesting, to be like holograms or something like that. But for now we'll create only a color. Let's take a green. I think it's okay. We have to make it translucent, and the opacity will put 0.5. Okay, let's apply this. Let's save it, and let's duplicate this and call it orange. Orange. Okay. Let's make it orange. I think it's okay. Let's apply. Let's save. So I have a problem with this position of elements. Okay. So we have to take this can build variable. If we can build, we say I said when the ghost is on the ground, it will be green. But if is in the air, we could not create, and will be orange. Okay, so if we can build, let's take the build ghost. Let's set material green. Okay. Set material orange. Okay. So let's take a branch. Let's make a branch to this can build. And if we can build, we'll set green. If we can't build, it will be set orange. Okay, now it's green, now it's orange. I think we have to not to translucent. Let's put here 7, apply, let's save it, and here 7, apply, and save it. Okay, it's more better now. So is touch the ground is green, doesn't touch the ground is orange. But we have a little problem. Let me show you what is all about. It's a processing problem, not a visual problem. It's a processing problem because, let's say here green, let's past this, orange, okay. So while it's touching the ground, it will set the green material for each frame. So green, orange, green, orange. This is not good for the code, because setting the material is a lot of much code for doing that. So let's cooling the process. Let's move this. and we'll make something like that. First we'll get material, and if this material is equal to green, and orange, okay, let's go more in the right. Okay, let's put two branches in here, branch, okay. So if this is green, so if this is green, we'll do nothing, and if this is orange, we'll do nothing. So it will set the green if the material is orange, and will set the orange material if the material is green. Let's see if it's work. Okay, build orange, green, orange. So it set the material for only one time, and set the other color if the build can build variable is changed, not for every frame, which is not okay for the game. So thank you for watching. In the next episode we will set this with keys 1, 2, 3, 4 for building more elements, more meshes. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.